Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a quick unboxing and testing of the Zhike 4-in-1 15 watts fast wireless charger. And now the main reason why I bought this wireless charger is because I have my Fold 3 and then also have the Samsung Watch 4. And if you know about the Samsung Watch 4, number one is that the battery life is not very good. Number two, it's kind of picky about the wireless charging. Pretty much only prefers its own charger that came out of the box with the watch. And I'm a little too cheap to buy a secondary charger for the watch. And so what I wanted to do is to find a solution that allows me to charge my phone, my watch, and of course my awesome AirPods Pro. I mean, this thing is pretty beat up. I want to have an all-in-one solution that allows me to just charge everything at once, declutter all the cables that's just going around my bedside table, and I want to see if this is a good solution. So with that being said, this is what it looks like. Let's open this thing up. So first off, let's take a look at the actual dock itself. So the main reason why I bought this is number one, it's supposed to charge the Samsung Watch 4 on top, your phone here, and then also you can charge your Apple AirPods or your Galaxy Buds 2 or whatever you have. And then there's also an extra slot in the back as well for any type of other accessories. It has a nice rubbery grip to it, so your phone won't just like slide easily. It's a nice texture to it, and so is the front. And like I said, I do like the fact that there's like a front LED logo to let you know that it is charging. It does flash when it's charging. The main point is that there are multiple charging spots that it supports. And the main thing is it supports the kind of picky Galaxy Watch 4. But we'll see, we're gonna put this to the test. So what else does it come with? It comes with a braided USB-C cable, quick charge 3.0 wall charger. So it's supposed to provide quick charge 3.0, like really fast charging with this as well. So let's go ahead and unwrap this. All right, so now that we're all plugged in, let's go ahead and start with the testing. So I have my Galaxy Fold 3 right here. I'm going to just pop it on. Does it work? Yes, it does work. It does say fast wireless charging. And the next thing is I want to make sure I can charge my Apple AirPods Pro. So let's just put this here. Oh, nice. Indicator light comes on. Sweet deal. All right, so far so good. Now I'm going to pop this, my Galaxy Watch 4, which is kind of the main reason why I bought this charger. On the top, yes, looks like it's charging. You know what, let's just take the phone out so you guys can see. Let's pop it on there. Boom. It looks like it does work. I like this. Last but not least, I know the back, you can actually use this as another wireless charger for a secondary phone. Let's see if this one actually works. Okay, so this one just says wireless charging. It does not say fast charging. So this one says like 2 hours and 24 minutes. Let's double check on the front for fast charging. Fast charging, 1 hour and 56 minutes. So yeah, there is definitely a difference between the front and the back, but all four of them has been working pretty well so far. How about now? Oh, this is great. I can consume media while this is charging wirelessly. And you can see that up top it is actually charging as well. This is pretty cool. So everything is charging and you just have one place to put all of your accessories from your watch, your phone, and to your headphones, everything that you need for your everyday use. So pretty neat all-in-one solution. Quite honestly, I like it so far. It's simple and it works. The only thing I wish we can do is this thing would fold down so it's easier for you to travel with. Sometimes you don't want to carry this like giant weird brick looking thing with you when you're traveling. But if you're at home, this is really nice. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this for a week and I will make a 1 week long video just to let you guys know what I ultimately think about this charger station that actually works with the Galaxy Watch 4, the AirPods Pro, boom. And then also, last but not least, my Galaxy Fold 3. Look at that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up on the video and please hit and like the subscribe button right here. I do appreciate you guys watching my video. Take care. Have a good one.